Yo, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to convert a normal video to 4K on Capcut. So today I'll show you how to turn a normal video you have into 4K with simple editing here on Capcut. So let's go ahead and get right into it step by step. So here, you're going to want to go ahead and import your video to Capcut that you want to edit. Now that you've done that, you're now going to want to select the clip and then head over down below to the slider and slide it until you find the option adjust. Now go ahead and click on adjust, and then here in adjust, you're going to want to look for the graph settings. Now go ahead and click on graphs, and you can see that there is a graph right here. Now this pretty much replicate what I do here. So go ahead on the left, you're going to want to slide this all the way up, and on the right, you're going to want to slide it all the way down. Now here you're going to want to do the same things for all the other ones. So I'm going to do it for the white one. I'm going to go ahead and put this down, and then the red one, do the same thing, and just pretty much do it for all the other ones. So now that you're done doing that, go ahead and click the arrow down right here on the right, and then save it. And then after that, go ahead and click the check to actually confirm the save. Now that you've done that, we're now going to take the other step to actually go ahead and make this 4K. So you're now going to want to go ahead and unselect the clip. Now, once you've unselected it, you should get options here. Now go ahead and click the effects option on the slider here, and then click video effects. Now we're going to want to add a blur to this. Now, in order to find the blur, you're going to want to head over to the lens section, and here you can actually find the blur option. Now go ahead and click check, and that'll go ahead and save the blur for you. Now you're going to want to go ahead and now render this in 1080p or 4K. Now for the best results, I'd advise you to render in 4K, although it does take up a little bit more space. But I'm just going to render it in 1080p for the sake of this video. So I'm going to go ahead and render it now and export it. And you can see we are now ready to share. But you're going to want to go ahead and click the arrow at the top left-hand corner and go back to the actual sequence here. And please excuse my dog in the background, guys. I apologize for that, but you're now going to want to revert all of the changes here. So delete the blur, and then after that, go to the actual adjust panel or option here on the slider and revert all the changes. Go ahead and click graphs as for the very first part, and then go ahead and click the little arrow that's doing a 360 and then reset all adjustments. And then after that, you're now just going to want to go ahead and make sure that the clip is nice and untouched here. So now you're going to want to go ahead and add an overlay. Now, make sure the clip is unselected. And then after that, you should get the option for an overlay. Go ahead and click overlay and then add overlay. Now that you've done that, you should see the rendered clip here from our previous export. So go ahead and click it and then click add. Now that you see your previous export here, go ahead and make sure that this clip sits flush with the other clip. So go ahead and zoom in it, and it should stay flush now. So once you've done that, you're now going to want to go ahead and click blend. Once you click blend, you're going to want to head over to burn and make sure you go ahead and click it. Now set this to around 65, seems to be adequate for me. And then after that, click save. Now that you've done that, we're now going to add one more final piece to actually finalize this masterpiece. So go ahead and click overlay again, and then click add overlay. And then after that, click stock videos, and then click the white solid background here. And then after that, click add. Now you're going to want to go ahead and zoom in and make sure it sits flush with the other clips. You can see here, mine sits flush now. Now I'm going to go ahead and click blend, the blend option on the slider here. Now you're going to want to go ahead and you can see here, there's filters for it, but you're going to want to click overlay right here. And after that, set this to around 95 and then click check. Now that's pretty much it in order to actually turn a normal video to 4K. I'm going to go ahead and play it for you guys really quick. You guys can see it is now in 4K. So that's how you go ahead and do it. It's actually super easy. And like I said, if you render it in 4K or 2K, it's actually going to come out really good, as well as the frame rate. If you put the frame rate up, it's going to come out even better. So go ahead and do that. That's essentially how you turn a normal video to 4K with editing on Capcut. So hopefully you found the video helpful. I've seen other videos like this on YouTube, but I thought I'd give a more in-depth tutorial because people were asking, where was the blur effect and all of that. And, I just wanted to show you in depth, right? So with that being said, hopefully you found the video helpful. Please subscribe and like the video, and hopefully you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you until next time.